Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Sandy from Blueendless. Today I would like to show you how to use HDD docking station to clone the hard disk. Okay, you can see this HDD docking station is made of plastic. Okay, it is one of the products of our company. You can see there are buttons in front of this docking station, and there are two ports on the back of this item. One is with USB cable, one is for the power supply, and this one is an on and off click button. Okay, now you can see there are two bays on the docking station. Both of them are available for 2.5 or 3.5 each HDD or SSD hard disk with SATA interface. It can read up to 6 TB for each bay. Each slot. Okay. We have two accessories for this docking station. One is USB cable. You need to use this USB cable to connect the docking station with the computer, and you need to use the cable to connect this docking station with the power supply. After that, put the hard disk inside the slot. Then turn on this item, and you can see the lighting is turning on. Then you will see the hard disk, the SSD and HDD disk, both of them are read on the computer right now. Click my computer and click the manager. You will see, okay, here is the hard disk manager in here, and click here. You will see your hard disk are both the reader on here. Then, if your hard disk is with it's not with NTFS, please reformat it into NTFS. Okay. Okay, then click it and be sure. Okay, if you need to copy the picture from the desktop, from the hard disk, then please copy it. Okay, then it will be finished. Okay, if you want to use the clone function, there are two things. There are one thing you must be know: the capacity of the hard disk in the back slot must be bigger than the hard disk in the front slot. That means if the hard disk in here is with 1 TB, then the hard disk in here must be bigger than 1 TB. It may be 1.5 TB or 2 TB. Okay. Before you use the clone function, you need to pull out the USB cable. Then click this button for 3 seconds. Then you will see the lighting is keep running. You need to wait sometimes maybe half an hour or 1 hour. It depends on the capacity of your hard disk. After it finish, the lighting will be stopped. Please let me know if you have more questions. Thank you.